Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's currently 3:30 and I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes to go shopping, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. This is my outfit. My top is Supre and my shorts are RVCA.
These change rooms are really aesthetic.
They're so aesthetic. We're in cotton on, by the way. I don't know if I said that. I actually kind of want these pants now. They're so cute. Tell us about your outfit, Emily.
This skirt is a tiny bit too short for my liking. That's okay, because it kind of goes with the top. I'm kind of falling in love with this top. Like,
It's
I don't
kind
know
of
when
like festival type. Like and subscribe. I'm joking. Just finished up in the change room and now Emily's gonna get some shorts. They're really cute. We're gonna go buy them. We just got $1.50 cookies at Subway because they just looked so scrumptious and we're starving. It's like dinner time and we haven't eaten. I found the tiniest skirt ever. It doesn't actually look tiny when I film it, but like it's hardly bigger than my hand. Emily said it looks like a thick belt. I've actually never seen Pixie here. Ooh, not that one. Emily, are you a Labubu hater?
they're scary and creepy and get them away from me. So why are they $60?
I know. Okay, so finished eating and we're kind of just walking, but I need to get a Christmas present for one of my friends, so we're trying to find something for her. No Christmas ones. Okay, so now we're going to Mecca, I think. We're gonna do a scent review.
I've just done that one.
It's kind of gross.
So many people are like, oh my gosh, I love it.
No,
There's something off about it.
that one's better. Ooh. Okay, so I would rank them 1, 2, 3, 4. What would you do?
I agree with that.
Yeah. They're kind of not good though. They're so aesthetic. I wish they actually smelled good. Wait, is this that like if you it's all just gonna smell weird?
Popcorn.
6, 7.
Oh, hell no.
Belly balm. I've never heard of that before. So Emily wears silver jewelry. We've got all this gold. There's like that and that. Really not
All
easy
my
being a
silver
girl.
girlies joined together and we should get more silver jewelry.
The music is so loud. I read that as waterproof water. I was like, excuse me. Hey guys, it's the next day. Believe it or not, my hair was actually really curly this morning. It is so hot and humid that they literally all fell out. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little shopping haul from yesterday. The first thing that I got are these adorable shorts from Glassons. I think they are so cute and I've been wanting stripy shorts like this for literally ages, and these are just so perfect, and they even have pockets. But yeah, they're just so summery and cute, and I'm actually really loving this outfit. And the next thing that I got is actually a Christmas present for one of my friends. It's actually over here. I started putting all my Christmas presents for everyone on my desk, but the other thing that I got is this lip liner from MCO Beauty in the shade Rose Satin, but I think it's really cute and I really hope that she likes it. Also, here's my final like Christmas room tour because I finished decorating the other day. So I've got this little like garland thing. If you look closer, they're actually gingerbread men. I have this pillow which is a gingerbread house. This is actually my sister's. I had a Christmas tree one, but we ended up swapping because the Christmas tree one suited her room better and then this one suited my room better. Both of them are from Kmart. And this is my desk. I've just got some Christmas presents which I need to wrap, but I haven't done them yet. I have this little snow globe which is from Kmart. I don't actually know where this stocking is from. And then this is actually a Christmas tree ornament, but it's too heavy for my little tree, and it's from Typo. And then I have my Christmas tree. The Christmas tree and everything on it is from Kmart, except these little bows. It was just like some random ribbon that I cut up. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any video requests, and I'll see you guys in the next video.